How can AEG Cleaning Services help you to reduce your carbon footprint? By understanding the contents of the products you are using, it becomes much easier to make carbon-friendly choices in your own home. Because of this, practicing DIY-style green cleaning with simple ingredients that you can pick and choose from yourself can significantly reduce your carbon footprint. It can also be fun, crafty, and carbon neutral. AEG cleaning use ingredients which is carbon neutral like white vinegar, lemon oil, effective oils, citric acid, sounds scary but actually neutral, and baking soda which keeps the environment clean and helps us to live a healthy life. Laundry room. Using an average, store-bought detergent will give an approximate carbon footprint. There are simple tricks to laundry that will instantly help reduce this footprint. For example, store-bought powder detergents have a higher carbon footprint than liquid detergents. The higher concentrated liquid detergents have the lowest carbon footprint since they require less packaging and smaller quantities of detergent per load of laundry. Storage and packing. You will also need containers for storing your cleaning creations. I recommend purchasing only what you need, putting those mix-match Tupperware containers to use, and looking for spray bottles that are sturdy enough to be reused multiple times. One spray bottle can serve many purposes by being continuously reused, and this will minimize your plastic packaging waste. Choose carbon-neutral cleaning services. Some things are out of your control, not within the area of expertise, or not safe for you to manage. But you can hire the right people that can do an efficient job for delivering the kind of services you deserve, but would also make Mother Nature happy. Important to choose an office cleaning in UK that has a deep commitment to preventing and protecting the environment. Make careful research of the company's plan of action, including involved materials, equipment, and products that they regularly use to render their services. Why choose AEG Cleaning Services? The type of cleaning that offers is one characterized standard excellence and professionalism. It takes pride in employing experienced registered cleaning technicians with the right skills to handle carbon-neutral products and equipment in delivering a clean, safe, and hygienic environment to you. AEG Cleaning Services uses only organic products for cleaning and sanitizing purposes. For more details on this service and a quote, you can either email us at www.agcleaning.co.uk or call us at 0207 998 3113.